celebrate the cosmos. Happy Astronomy Day. Today, we come together to marvel at the wonders of the universe. It's a day dedicated to exploring the mysteries of the cosmos and sharing the joy of stargazing with friends and family. Astronomy Day is a special day to learn about the wonders of the universe. Whether you're peering through a telescope for the first time, or you're a seasoned astronomer, there's always something new to discover. From the craters on the moon to the rings of Saturn, the night sky is full of incredible sights. It's a day to gaze at the stars and appreciate the beauty of space. The vastness of the Milky Way, the twinkling of distant stars, and the serene glow of planets all remind us of the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our world. Stargazing can be a peaceful and awe-inspiring experience, connecting us to the universe in a profound way. Astronomy Day happens twice a year, once in the spring and again in the fall. This biannual celebration ensures that everyone has the opportunity to participate, regardless of the season. Spring and fall offer unique celestial events, from meteor showers to planetary alignments, making each Astronomy Day a unique experience. It's a time for everyone to enjoy astronomy. Communities around the world host events, bringing people together to share their passion for the stars. These gatherings often include telescope viewings, educational talks, and hands-on activities for all ages. It's a wonderful way to meet fellow stargazers and learn from each other. Astronomy Day is for everyone, whether you're a beginner or an expert. It's a chance to ignite a lifelong interest in space or deepen your existing knowledge. Families, friends, and individuals of all ages can come together to explore the night sky and share their discoveries. You can learn something new about space. From books and documentaries to apps and online resources, there are countless ways to expand your understanding of the universe. Astronomy Day is the perfect opportunity to dive into a new topic, whether it's black holes, exoplanets, or the history of space exploration. There are many ways to celebrate Astronomy Day. Attend a planetarium show to experience the night sky in a whole new way, or join a workshop to learn about the latest discoveries in astronomy. Many communities also offer special events, such as star parties and guided stargazing sessions. Join a local astronomy club or visit a planetarium. These organizations often host events and provide resources for both beginners and experienced astronomers. By connecting with others who share your interest, you can gain new insights and make lasting memories. So grab your telescope, look up, and celebrate the wonders of the universe on this special day. A Day for the Stars, History of Astronomy Day. This special day is dedicated to celebrating the wonders of the universe and the joy of stargazing. Astronomy Day began in 1973. Douglas Berger, the president of the Astronomical Association of Northern California, started it. His vision was to make astronomy accessible to everyone, not just those with access to observatories or rural skies. He wanted to bring astronomy to people in cities by setting up telescopes in urban areas. He aimed to spark curiosity and wonder among city dwellers who might not otherwise have the chance to see the stars so clearly. At first, Astronomy Day was only held in the spring. This was a time when the weather was generally favorable and the skies were clear, making it perfect for stargazing events. Now, we celebrate it twice a year. In addition to the spring event, an autumn Astronomy Day was added to allow more opportunities for people to engage with the night sky. Astronomy Day is celebrated by people all over the world, from North America to Europe, Asia, and beyond. Communities come together to gaze at the stars and learn about the cosmos. It's a great way to bring people together to share their love of space. Whether you're an amateur astronomer or just someone who loves looking up at the night sky, Astronomy Day offers a chance to connect with others and explore the universe together. Unlocking the universe, astronomy's impact. Astronomy helps us understand our place in the universe. It helps us learn about stars, planets, and galaxies. Astronomy also helps us understand how the universe began. Studying space helps us here on Earth. We've developed new technologies through astronomy. For example, GPS technology came from our understanding of space. Section 4, Reach for the Stars Astronomy Day Activities. Astronomy Day is a special occasion dedicated to celebrating the wonders of the universe and the joy of stargazing. There are many fun activities you can do on Astronomy Day. From interactive exhibits to hands-on activities, there's something for everyone to enjoy. You can visit a planetarium for an indoor star show. These shows offer a breathtaking view of the cosmos, simulating the night sky in a way that's both educational and awe-inspiring. You can go stargazing with friends and family. Find a dark spot away from city lights, lay down a blanket and gaze up at the stars together. It's a perfect way to bond and share the beauty of the night sky. Try using a telescope to see planets and stars up close. Telescopes can reveal details of celestial objects that are invisible to the naked eye, making the experience even more thrilling. You can also learn about constellations, which are patterns of stars. Using a star chart, you can identify different constellations and understand their stories and significance in various cultures. This adds a layer of depth to your stargazing experience. Section 5. Keep looking up. Embrace the wonders of astronomy. Astronomy is an amazing subject. It lets us explore the vast universe. On Astronomy Day, take some time to appreciate the beauty of the night sky. You can learn more about astronomy online or at your local library. There are many resources available to help you learn about space.